How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about pectus excavatum treatment without surgery. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section and I will get back to you guys with some more details. So pectus excavatum is a congenital deformity of the anterior thoracic wall in which the sternum and rib cage grow abnormally. So this is your thoracic, you guys, your whole chest area, your back area too, that's your thoracic. This is your sternum, you guys, right in here. So pectus excavatum produces a caved in or a sunken appearance on the chest. So again, on the sternum, you guys. It can either be present at birth or not develop fully until puberty. So in most cases, pectus excavatum is strictly cosmetic and has no negative impact on your health. So don't get worried, you guys. But let's make it more cosmetically better now. So again, in most cases, what I always recommend to people, always, even what the research says is in most cases, go to the doctor, get checked out just to make sure. Always err on the safe side and always get checked just to make sure there's nothing else going on. Because again, your sternum, you guys, that's next to your heart. Make sure everything is okay down there. That's what I recommend. So I can help you guys out. Let's make it cosmetically better now, you guys. So believe it or not, the upper back musculature is a major player in the treatment of pectus excavatum. By working your upper back, your posture will begin to enhance. Most people have rounded shoulders or poor posture by not working their upper back, you guys. So you need to work your scapula, and you're going to work it by contracting it or by retracting it. So again, make your pectus excavatum better. You're going to have to work your upper back. So again, if your sunken in chest is like this, chances are you're going to have rounded shoulders. I mean, you do have rounded shoulders. So what's going to happen when we fix our upper back? What's going to happen to that pectus excavatum? It's not going to be nearly as bad. And I see this on the internet all the time. People will recommend chest exercises. Well, guess what? And I know I'm pretty sure I've made a video probably about this. And before I've done more research into this, I also was under the opinion that doing more chest exercises would be better. But guess what? I've done more and more research because I've been getting more and more comments. And guess what? Performing chest exercises may make the matters worse, because what do you do when you perform chest exercises for pectus excavatum? When you're performing them, your chest is already sunken in. Your shoulders are already rounded. So what's going to happen when you do more chest and chest and chest? Your shoulders are going to round more and more. And if you look at people at the gym who bench press a lot and they don't fully work their shoulders, you get that rounded look. Now that's okay that's not okay, but if you're a bodybuilder and you have rounded shoulders, you don't have a sunken chest, you can still look pretty damn good without a shirt on. You got rounded shoulders, you got pectus excavatum, and you start working your chest more and more. What's happened is you're already sunken over. It's just going to get worse. That hole's going to look bigger and bigger. So by performing chest exercises, yes, it can work, but you got to do other things as well. I recommend training your chest. That is perfectly okay. What people don't do is people don't work their upper backs. So what's going to happen is if you work your upper back, you start working your upper back, you can still do your chest exercises, but I recommend performing chest exercises. I recommend whatever volume you're doing for your chest exercises. Let's say you do 10 sets a week, start doing 20 sets a week of your back exercises, preferably the upper back where you are retracting your scapula. This is going to help develop your upper back. And again, when your upper back is developed, guess what? Your posture is going to be better. It's not going to be rounded over. And if it's better, if it's retracted, guess what? That hole isn't going to look as bad. Trust me on this. Can we actually fix the problem through exercise? Can we actually completely get rid of that hole in the chest? No, it's a hole in your chest, you guys. But we can make it look 10 or 100 times better, you guys, simply by, again, retracting the scapula, working our upper back muscles, and actually providing science behind how we actually can fix a problem instead of just doing what everyone says and working the chest. So I'm going to show you guys some exercises that you can do to help you with the pectus excavatum. So the first exercise that we are going to perform, and this is going to be a staple, a complete staple and one of the best exercises that you can perform for your back, and that's simply going to be the pull-up, you guys. The pull-up or the chin-up. Now, in my opinion, and for people that I've helped, Again, I apologize for the lighting. The lighting is horrible. Bear with me, you guys. Again, basement's not fully finished. I apologize. But the chin up and the pull up, in my opinion, beginners do a much better job doing the chin up. It's easier for them. It's not as hard. So the chin up, what you want to do is you want to have your palms facing you. So chin up, palms facing you, very narrow grip, you guys, very narrow grip. When you're performing the pull-up, you want palms facing away from you and you want a wide grip. So that's going to work your lats a little bit more. Doing the chin-up is going to put more emphasis on the rhomboids, the upper back. So that's kind of what we want to go. We want to go more with the upper back. We want to do chin-ups because, again, the problem, again, upper back. Lats are still important. Lats do make up some of your upper back, but again, in my opinion, chin-ups would be a little bit better. I recommend doing both. So again, chin-ups, very important. Most people can do chin-ups pretty easy. What you want to do, get down in the chin-up position and then simply perform the movement like so. The key when doing these though is good repetition, proper repetition. Now, some of you guys may not be able to perform a pull-up. That is 100% okay. A quick way that I recommend, what I recommend to people if they're trying to do the chin up or the pull up and they can't do it, get on a bench, you guys. Get on a bench, stand on the bench, hold the chin up position like this. Now, what you're going to do at the very top is just simply jump up a little bit or just get rid of your legs, hold your arms, and just allow yourself to come down. Keep doing that over and over again. And this is going to build muscle through the negative portion of the movement, and you will be able to do the chin-ups. That is the best way to learn how to do chin-ups, because guess what? You may not be able to do one chin-up or one pull-up, and that's 100% okay. If you can start to do 50 of those, 60 of those, you can 100% do a pull-up or a chin-up. And then once that happens, then you can start utilizing more chin-ups. But even that itself, when you develop muscle, you guys, when you're developing muscle, the portion that the muscle grows on is the negative portion. So again, the negative portion of the chin up is the lowering. When we're lowering ourselves, that is the negative portion. The positive portion, guess what? That does help with muscle, but the negative portion works much, much better to building muscle. So that's a great exercise that you can do. Either do the full chin up or do the assisted chin up, you guys. Both methods will work. Second exercise is going to be the band pull apart. I cannot stress this enough for your upper back. It's one of the best exercises you can do. Now you're going to get the band like so, and all your, it's connected. I do apologize. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to grab the band. I recommend roughly a shoulder width grip. And then what you're going to do is squeeze. You can feel your upper back working. Now here's the kicker though, and here's the main key that a lot of people mess up when they do these. A lot of people, they perform 10, 15, 20 repetitions. Wrong, you guys. 40, 50 repetitions. You're not using very much weight. This is 2 pounds, you guys. And if it gets a little bit harder, just simply put the band farther apart. Make your grip wider. This is going to allow you to keep going if your arms are sore. So again, the closer it is, the harder it is, the wider our grip is, the easier it is. So if you can bang out 20 repetitions like this, it starts getting harder. Just simply make your grip go wider and wider until you get the full 50 reps. Volume is key for the upper back. Volume is key. Trust me on this. You're trying to fix your posture. 5, 10 reps, no, 50 repetitions, you guys. Another way to do this exercise is a lot of people, they don't understand how your back works when they're performing the movement. So having a neutral scapula, this is a neutral scapula, you guys. When performing the movement, what happens is when we have a neutral scapula and we do these, we're actually using mostly our rhomboids when we're doing the band pull-aparts. What we can do though is we can pronate our scapula, and now when we perform these, we're actually utilizing our rear delts. So yeah, you can hit your rhomboids, then you can hit your rear delts. So you're getting all of the upper back, you guys. You are getting your upper back. You're hitting it properly. And again, rounded shoulders, you guys, you get those rear delts, you start working them, you get them in the proper position, you get your rhomboids back, you get them flexed, you working it, you're gonna have good posture, trust me on that. Now these bands, I do sell them in the description box. I would never recommend anything to anyone that I do not physically own and that I don't think are good quality. These are amazing. If you guys look over there, you guys can see my other bands are just chilling there on the side of my power rack, just right there. They are a good quality, and if you guys are looking to actually buy some to improve your back, your posture, your anterior your back muscles, then simply, you guys, again, if you're trying to improve your pectus excavatum with retraction, these are a good quality. I'll put them in the description box if you guys want to buy them. I bought them myself. They're around 20 bucks, I believe. You get 5 or 6. You get 5, I believe. I might misplaced one, but yeah, you get 5 of them. Great product. I highly recommend them. The next exercise, again, I do apologize. I don't like that much telling about products just because it seems like I'm trying to sell stuff. I'm not. I'm honestly, in the bottom of my heart, seriously trying to help you guys, because I know what you guys go through with this, and my channel, if you guys know already, is about helping people. That's my goal in life, is to help people. If you guys know about my personal training, I don't charge $100, $200, $300 for my personal training. I literally charge $20, and people are like, why? Because I want to help people, and I give you top of the line training. I give you crazy good content. I give you guys, when I do my personal training, I'll give you guys a complete custom program, and you guys can ask me any questions on the diet, and I will help you guys with your diet. I don't 100% believe in structured diet because people do not follow it. They don't, and then what happens is they lose their diet. So I recommend in a lifestyle change, I recommend foods that you actually like, you like to incorporate, and then I will make a plan, and I will make sure that you guys are in an energy deficit or an energy positive, to make sure that you guys are bulking or losing weight. So again, I really care about you guys, and I love my subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. So let's go over exercise 3. I've talked enough. Bodyweight snow angels. So this exercise, I love this exercise. What you're going to do is you're going to get on the ground like so. Now what you want to do is you want to have your chin off the ground a little bit, and your back feet, you want to have them elevated just a little bit. So I'll kind of move up so you guys can see this a little bit better. So my back feet, you just want them up just a little bit. Your chin off the ground just a tad. Now what you're going to do is stick your hands completely out like so. Now what you want to do, I'll just get back to this position. What you want to do, you guys, is stick your hands like so. They do not touch the ground ever. Now what you're going to do is just make a snow angel. Now again, this works the upper back crazy. Here's the thing that I love. When stuff gets easy, guess what? You can start to add weight. You can do, now 5 pounds is very hard, even for me. You can start adding a 2.5 pound plate to the movement. So what you then do is you do the movement, but now you use weight. And you can feel this movement getting harder and harder and harder. If you guys don't believe me on that movement, try doing 30 repetitions with that. The snow angels is crazy. Trust me, they're simply an amazing back exercise. You guys can see kind of got a little bit of a back pump just from doing it. It's they're amazing. I love snow angels. They do work. So one other exercise I will show you. This video is getting a little bit long. I don't want to waste your guys' time, but any push-up variation, push-ups are an amazing way to work your upper body, even if you have zero equipment. So the amount of push-up variations are endless. There's so many different ones that you can do. I recommend working with one for 6 weeks or so, then switching it up so your body never fully adapts and you can continue to develop and grow your muscle. And yes, adding muscle to your frame will make pectus excavatum look nearly invisible. So some examples of push-up variations: you can do grasshopper push-ups, you can do wide push-ups, you can do diamond push-ups, You can do one-legged push-ups where you perform a push-up with one leg off the ground. This puts more emphasis on your core. You can do Spider-Man push-ups. You can do archer push-ups. You can do typewriter push-ups. You can do pike push-ups. You can do wall push-ups, clapping push-ups, finger push-ups, knuckle push-ups. There's like literally hundreds and hundreds of different push-up variations. So do a little bit of research, pick one, doesn't matter which one. Keep rotating them, endless amount of possibility if we don't limit ourselves in the mind. You limit yourself in the mind, you're done, you guys. Have an open mind and you guys will be able to achieve anything. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video, share it. And again, I'll put the resistance bands in the description box if you guys are interested in checking them out. If you have any questions on them, comment below in the comment section. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.